Hey everybody, today we're going to be looking at how you can divide two fractions, which is kind of interesting because it's the same skill set as multiplying. You just have to make one quick change first. Let me show you how this goes. So in problem number one, I've got 2/10 divided by 1/7. And I know it looks really scary that you are taking a fraction and dividing it by another fraction. But the whole strategy here is to remember that division is of itself a form of multiplication. So division is actually just the multiplication of the reciprocal of what you're trying to divide by, which is really fancy math words for to do this. All you have to do is change the division sign to multiplication, take your second fraction and flip it, which is called the reciprocal. So instead of doing 2/10 divided by 1/7, I'm going to do 2/10 times 7/1. Ah, that's okay. And using our skills that we learned last time, that means I'll do 2 times 7 on top, which is 14. And then I'll do 10 times 1 on the bottom, which is 10. Still need to reduce this fraction if it's possible. Because 14 and 10 are both even numbers, I know that I can divide them by 2. So I'm going to divide both of these numbers by 2. That will leave me with a 7 on top and a 5 on bottom. Not so bad, right? So another example of how you can take a look at some math that maybe never quite caught on to or you always assumed was very difficult. Um, and I hope you realize that this is doable. Maybe you still have questions, but it's a very doable process. So I'd like you to finish the rest of this worksheet, please. There's 15 problems. It's going to feel a little redundant, but let me tell you, every time you reduce these fractions, you're just building and reinforcing those soft number skills, you guys, which is something that everyone uses. When you think about what can I divide these two numbers by, or what factors do they have in common? Those are very common math skills that you'll use your entire life. So it doesn't hurt to just have a time in your day to focus in on that and just practice it. So, name of the game here, just keep the first fraction, change to multiplication, and then switch the second fraction upside down. Good luck, you guys. Hope you have a great day.